Okay, I'm gonna show you what I do. Today I washed my hair, but look how fine and thin it is. It's still just so thin and fine. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I feel better about myself. So I'm gonna take Easy Updo extensions, which I've attached to a smaller elastic. It came with the big one, but my ponytail is so small, I've got this small elastics. And all you do is they unsnap and you can snap them back on the elastic like that. Okay, so I attach them to a small elastic. Then I put my hair in a ponytail like this. I attach the elastic to my itty bitty ponytail with the extensions hanging down the back, right, out of the way. Then I separate my hair into two sections and I put an extension in each section. Then I start twisting with my hair and the extensions at the same pressure of the pull. And I just continue twisting all the way down. And you can see that it makes like one long twist. You can see there. And then I get to the end and I just twist. Now I hold the end with my two fingers, right? And then it falls to the side. I take this and I tie the extensions in a knot. And then I only pull, just gently pull while holding it close to your head. See? And you have a knot there. Then I secure it with my hand and I wrap it around the bun. Then I twist and tuck the ends in. Okay, now I want to make sure I hold those ends with my thumb. Like I push them in and I hold them with my thumb. Then I'm going to take my first bobby pin and I pull it apart with my fingers only. Don't use your teeth. I've got some chips in the back of my teeth from doing this. And nobody told me I wasn't supposed to do that. So you take a bobby pin and then you go and pin right where that end is. And you just push it in a little bit. Now you take a little bit of your hair and connect it to a little bit of the extension. You can't go over the whole extension because it's one big twist and it won't pull it. It won't go in that way. You have to do a little bit of the extension and a little bit of your hair, okay? So now that I know those ends are secured, I'm just gonna use a few more bobby pins and just pin in different places. Pin it close to my head. And guys, this is just supposed to be fun. Get out the door, easy. It's like so much fun, okay, right? It's supposed to be fun, not perfect. So then I've got my little bun going. I'm just gonna pin it one more time so it feels secure, okay? And then I'm good to go, I'm out the door. So, pull a little hair out, make it a little soft and loosen it up a little bit. And I'm going to show you all kinds of tips and tricks I've learned from these amazing experts, but so far that's it. And I need a little Botox, don't I? Anyway, bye guys.